Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Creator, your go-to channel for AI tools, tutorials, and tech tips. Today's question is something we've all wondered at some point. Can AI actually do your homework? Is it cheating? Is it smart productivity? And can T do for your homework? And how to use it the smart way? Is it even allowed? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what AI can, so first things first. Yes, I can help you with your homework, and in some cases, it can even do it entirely. Let's break it down by subject. Math. AI tools like Photomath or ChatGPT can solve problems, show steps, and explain concepts, essays, and writing. Tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT, and Jasper can write full essays. Fix grammar, suggest arguments, and help you brainstorm. Science. I can explain complex theories, generate lab reports, and break down formulas, especially in chemistry and physics, coding, and computer science. GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can generate working code, debug errors, and explain how the code functions. Languages. AI can translate, generate language learning exercises, and even help you practice pronunciation. But wait, that's not the whole story. AI is powerful, but it has limitations. Accuracy. AI doesn't always get it right. It can give wrong answers, especially in math or science. Plagiarism risk. If you copy-paste AI content, tools like Turnitin might detect it. Many schools now have AI detectors in place. Lack of critical thinking. AI doesn't think it predicts. That means it often lacks depth, creativity, or context required in higher-level assignments. It's no personal experience. AI can't write personal reflections, journals, or unique perspectives from your life. And if it does, it's made up. Here's the big question. Is using AI for homework cheating? The answer, it depends. Others ban AI completely. It's important to check your school's policy. If you ask AI to write a full essay and you submit it unchanged, that's plagiarism. But if you use AI as a research assistant, grammar checker, or brainstorming buddy, that's smart studying. Some schools are adapting their rules. Remember, AI is a tool, not a shortcut to avoid learning. Let's look at some of the best AI tools that students are using right now. ChatGPT, best for explanations, essay drafts, coding help, and brainstorming. Grammarly, great for grammar corrections, tone adjustments, and writing clarity. Photomath, scan a math problem, get a solution with steps. QuillBot, paraphrasing, summarizing, and improving sentence structure. Notion, for note-taking, summarizing lectures, and organizing study materials. Khan Academy's Khanmigo, an AI tutor built into Khan Academy, explains concepts interactively. Use them wisely. Don't let them do your learning for you. Here's how to use AI the smart and safe way. Use it to understand concepts you're stuck on. Let it suggest outlines or structures, but write in your own words. Always fact-check answers, especially in science and history. Don't rely on AI to replace reading or studying. Use AI to edit your own writing. It's not right for you to think of AI as your personal tutor, not your substitute. So, can AI do your homework? Yes, but it's not about replacing your brain. It's about enhancing your productivity and understanding, if used correctly. Want to see a tutorial on how to use these AI tools for specific subjects? Let me know in the comments. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think AI is helping students learn or making them lazy? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Quiet Creator, and turn on the bell icon for more AI content and productivity tips. And remember, AI can help you, but it's your effort that leads to real learning.